Hi, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the calendar page inside Kale, where you can manage all your appointments with just a few simple steps. Your calendar is more than just a place to see dates. It's where you keep track of meetings, follow-ups, property viewings, or any important event related to your deals, all in one place. And here's the best part. Just like the sales pipeline, you don't need to click through menus or forms to add appointments. Instead, you can simply chat with Kale, your AI assistant. From any page in the app, click the green AI button with sparkles to get started. Let's add a new appointment. I'll click the microphone icon and say, please schedule a meeting with Jackson Miller on Friday at 2 p.m. to view his property, 123 Main Street. Click the green check mark just to process that audio, and we can send the message off to Kale. And as you can see, it created the appointment with Jackson Miller in our calendar. Now let's say plans change and I need to edit that appointment. I can simply click the appointment. I can either edit it manually, which is the old way of doing things, or I can edit with AI. To quickly send a message to Kale, I can click the microphone icon and simply say, please move my meeting with Jackson Miller to next Monday at 10 a.m. and send it off. As we can currently see, our meeting is on Friday, August 22nd. And now Kel has updated it to Monday, August 25th at 10 a.m. Kel updates the appointment for me. No searching and no dragging events around. You can also use the calendar to manage multiple types of events. For example, I will click the green AI sparkle button again and say, add 2 meetings for me. Add a Zoom call with the sales team tomorrow at 9 a.m. Also, schedule a follow-up appointment with the Smith family for next Wednesday at 4 p.m. You can even mention 2 or 3, maybe even 5 appointments, and Kay will schedule all of it in one go. Awesome. Every time, Kel handles the details and keeps your calendar organized. All 3 of our events have been added to our calendar. And that's it. With Kel's calendar, adding or editing appointments is as simple as talking to your assistant. No complicated steps, just natural conversation.